The origin of that silver blue fish fillet on your plate may trace back to the ocean depths. Mahi-Mahi, a warm water species scientifically known as Coryphena hipparus, is now entering global supply chains through industrialized aquaculture. Global annual production reaches approximately 30,000 metric tons, primarily exported to EU and North American markets, with consumption growing at an average annual rate of 7% over the past 5 years. Spain, Greece, and Indonesia form the three core farming regions, all reliant on clean seawater maintained at 22 to 28 degrees Celsius with stable salinity levels. Modern farms utilize concrete recirculating aquaculture systems. Circular tanks measuring 20 meters in diameter feature conical bottom drains for waste removal. Fiberglass partitions divide the water into breeding, nursery, and grow-out zones, achieving a daily water exchange rate of 300%. Broodstock selection targets mature fish over 4 years old weighing more than 8 kilograms, with a single female producing up to 500,000 eggs. Fertilized eggs hatch within 36 hours in temperature-controlled tanks at 26 degrees Celsius, yielding 3 mm long larvae. The nursery phase prioritizes preventing cannibalism. Rotifers and Artemia nauplii are fed during the first 2 weeks at a density of 5 larvae per liter. PVC pipe arrays placed at tank bottoms provide shelter, while 24-hour dim lighting reduces aggression. After 6 weeks, juveniles transfer to intermediate tanks and transition to 0.5 mm compound feed containing 52% protein. Grow-out operations implement size grading systems. Fish are sorted quarterly into different tanks, reaching a final density of 15 kilograms per cubic meter. Automated feeders dispense floating pellets 6 times daily, precisely calibrated to 3% of total biomass. Water monitoring systems maintain dissolved oxygen above 6 mg per liter and ammonia below 0.02 ppm. Harvest commences at 18 months. Vacuum pumps transport market-sized fish averaging 4 kilograms to grading channels, where optical sorters categorize them into 300 G weight classes. An ice slurry system reduces core temperature to 4 degrees Celsius within 3 minutes before vacuum packaging and blast freezing at minus 60 degrees Celsius. Approximately 70% of production exports as gutted whole fish via maritime shipping, while the remainder processes into frozen fillets for premium supermarkets. Mahi-Mahi's high feed efficiency positions it as a sustainable protein source, requiring only 1.2 kilograms of feed per kg of weight gain. Its muscle tissue contains 1.8 g/100 g of omega-3 fatty acids. In Mediterranean cuisine, it features as pan-seared with olive oil and lemon, while Southeast Asian preparations often involve charcoal-grilled whole fish with chili sauce. Industrial farming alleviates pressure on wild stocks, with Spain's Canary Islands farming cluster alone generating 2,000 jobs. When enjoying seared mahi-mahi, consider this journey from hatchery tanks to deep-freeze supply chains. Subscribe to explore more agricultural innovations.